Good evening. Welcome to Prasanto Behra spoken English classes. I shall discuss active and passive voice. I have already discussed in two classes how present tense convert into passive structure and how past tense convert into the passive structure. We have already known in active structure we have to identify subject, verb and object in active sentence to convert into the passive structure. Subject, verb, object SVO in active structure. Today I shall discuss with you how modal verbs convert into the passive structure. What are the rules to convert into the passive structure? I am giving you one example now. Achilles will finish his home task. I am writing in the whiteboard. Achilles will finish his home task. Here you know Achilles is the subject, will finish verb, his home task is the object. Here if you convert into the passive structure, you have to interchange it. The rule here is the object plus modals. If it is will, here you can write will. Can, you have to write can. Could, you can write could, like this. So I have written here in the rules modals. You can write can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, whatever you can write here as per the active sentence. So object plus modals plus be plus third from the verb plus by plus subject. Clear now? Object plus modals plus be plus third from the verb plus by plus subject. The answer is his home task. Here modal verb is the will, you have to write will plus be home task will be third the verb. Finished means finished, FINISHID, finished by Achilles. Always you give importance to the third form of the verb. In passive structure, we have to mention the third form of the verb. Finish, past form is the finished, and past participle form is also finished. So we have to write his home task will be finished by Achilles. Clear now structure? Modals plus B plus B3. This is the important. And all the rules we have to already know. I am giving another example that you must pay attention in the class. You must pay attention in the class. You must pay attention in the class. You can easily know it. You can easily know. Use the rules and follow it. You must pay attention. You must pay attention in the class. You must pay attention in the class. I am underlining for you people also in red pen. What is the modal? Here must is the modal. Clear now? Must is the modal. You must pay attention in the class. Here you know that you subject must pay verb and attention in the class is the object. Subject verb object. This is the rule of active voice. If you have to convert into the passive structure, you have to follow the rules. The rule I have already discussed. Object plus modals plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Here you have to mention by before the subject. Here object, attention in the class, passive structure. This is the active structure. Passive structure, attention. You can write here attention. Clear? Attention must be paid. You can write attention must be paid. Third point the paid. Attention must be paid in the class. After the main verb, then object. Here attention is the object, and in the class, this is the in the class, this is not the object. You can write in the last, like yesterday, tomorrow. You can write it is in the last. You can write also in the last. So answer is attention must be paid in the class. I am giving another example. He might send you. Suppose the sentence is he might send you. What is the answer? He might send you. You have to follow the rules of modal passive structure. He might send you. Here he the subject. Might send is the verb and you is the object. The answer is you might be sent by him. You can say also you might be sent him also. This is the right answer. Here he might send you. He might send you. He might send you. This is very easy sentence. He might send you. Here might is the modal verb and might send, this is the verb, you is the object, he is the subject. You have to follow the rules. As per the rules, object plus modals plus be plus third person verb plus by plus subject. So here in passive structure, what is the object? You, then might, then be, then third person verb, AC and send. Here AC and send. V3 is the send. V2 also, second form of the verb also send by him. You can convert the passive structure like this. I am giving one more 2-3 examples to you. You can listen and write in your copy. I am speaking very slowly. Somebody will clean the office tomorrow. Somebody will clean the office tomorrow. Here somebody is the subject, will clean is the verb, the office is the object. So answer is the the office will be cleaned by somebody tomorrow. I have already told you after the object tomorrow, yesterday or on time. It is in the last, in the active sentence it has written in the last. So you can write in the passive structure in the last. So answer is the office will be cleaned by somebody tomorrow. Another example I am giving to you people. Somebody must clean the office. It is clear. Then another example I am giving, that I must finish the class. I must finish the class. Here I is the subject, must finish is the verb, class is the object. The answer is the class must be finished by me. The class must be finished by me. So in all the classes I have already told you how active sentence convert into the passive sentence or passive structure. Always you have to remember, in active sentence there is subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. So if you convert into the passive structure, then you have to follow the rules and write the answer. Without any mistake, you can do it. Okay? Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share my channel. In the next class, once again I will discuss all the structure of passive, your present tense, past tense, modals, all these things, and question format, how question format convert into the passive structure. All these things I will discuss once again in the next class. And one more class I will give you also, that some question I will give you, some questions, and how to make it answer. I will discuss all these things, give the answer also. There are some questions I will give you. You have to give the answer. If not, I will give the answer also. Thank you.